Hello bachcho. So let's read the question. In the aluminothermite process, the aluminium is used as. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमें बताना है कि एल्यूमिनोथर्माइट प्रोसेस में एल्यूमिनियम का क्या यूज होता है. क्या वो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है, क्या वो फ्लक्स होता है, क्या वो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट होता है, या वो एज अ सोल्डर यूज किया जाता है. सो एज वी नो दैट सर्टेन ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ मैंगनीज एंड क्रोमियम do not reduce by carbon are not reduced by carbon atom due to very high melting point. Okay, so due to high melting point of oxides of manganese and chromium, they are not reduced by carbon atom, but they can be reduced by but they can be reduced by aluminium, can be reduced by aluminium metal. Okay, so aluminium is known as reducing agent, and the reaction that is involved in aluminothermite process is this is chromium oxide, that is Cr2O3. On reaction with 2 moles of aluminium, it will give 2 moles of chromium plus Al2O3. So here as you can see, chromium oxide is directly reduced to chromium metal, so this is known as reduction. So aluminum is acting as reducing agent. Similarly with manganese oxide, that is Mn3O4, we will take 3 moles of this. On reaction with 8 moles of aluminium, it will also give 4 moles of Al2O3 plus 9 moles of manganese. Here also manganese oxide is directly reduced to manganese metal. So aluminium can act as reducing agent in thermite process. So correct answer for this question is option C. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.